Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates. International Medical University, Bukit Jalil Campus. Location Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Qualification first degree in biomedical science, a doctoral level qualification in related discipline. Experience in clinical laboratory, particularly in the area of cytology or pathology. Pancake Medic said PhD. Location Selangor, Malaysia. Qualification BE in Biomedical Engineering. Role Biomedical Engineer and contact the number displayed. Illumina. Location South Korea. Role Field Service Engineer. Qualification typically Bachelor's in Electrical or Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering related degree with knowledge in biotechnology, biomedical industry. Experience 2 to 5 years of relevant experience. Intuitive Surgical. Location South Korea, Seoul. Role Field Service Engineer. Qualification minimum bachelor's degree or more in biomedical engineering, electronics or mechanical engineering. Experience 0 to 2 years of field service experience preferred. GE Healthcare. Location South Korea. Role Field Service Engineer, MRI or CT. Qualification Electronics Engineering or Biomedical Engineering degree or equivalent degree level preferred. Metro IVF. Position Trainee Embryologist. Location Kuala Lumpur. Qualification Background in Biomedical or Reproductive Science. Experience No prior experience required. Training will be provided. Responsibilities Assist in embryology lab tasks and reproductive technology. Quantum Medical Solutions. Location Selangor, Malaysia. Roles preferred Junior Biomedical Technician 1 year experience. Senior Biomedical Technician 3 years of experience. Biomedical Equipment Specialist Autoclave Specialist 6 to 8 years of experience. Qualification BE Diploma in Biomedical Engineering. NG Tengfort General Hospital. Location Principal Biomedical Engineer in Healthcare. Location Jurong East West Region. Experience 10 years of experience in service and maintenance of medical equipment. Visit the website for further details. Malaysian University of Technology. Location Johor, Malaysia. Role PhD candidate in biomedical engineering. Qualification first class bachelor degree in electrical, electronic, biomedical engineering or master holder in electrical, electronic or biomedical engineering. LabLink. Role Clinical Laboratory Scientist. Location Johor Bahru and Pasir Gudang. Qualification Bachelor's degree in Biomedical Science. Experience Laboratory testing and result reporting experience. Responsibilities Obtain and analyze specimens in a clinical setting. Sunway Medical Center. Role Medical Lab Scientist Molecular. Location Bandar Sunway. Qualifications Bachelor's degree in Biomedical Science or equivalent. Experience in molecular diagnostics. Responsibilities Perform molecular testing and quality control. MP Biomedicals Asia Pacific. Role Senior Research Engineer. Location Pioneer. Qualification Bachelor's or Master's degree in Biomedical Engineering. Experience Design and development experience in lab instruments or medical devices. Responsibilities Focus on sample preparation equipment. KK Women's and Children's Hospital. Role Assistant Engineer Biomedical Engineering permanent or in contract. Education Diploma in Electronic, Electricals, Biomedical, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering or NITEC, higher NITEC. Experience at least 4 years of experience in Tan Tock Seng Hospital. Role Senior Biomedical Engineer. Education Biomedical Engineering. Location Novena Central Region. Apply by the link displayed. Subscribe for more further updates. Thank you.